This is a 2003 Honda Accord Euro, or if you're in America, an Acura TSX. This is start up on the factory ECU. All running and driving on the factory ECU. Now I'm going to install my modified Haltech plug and play for an Elite 1500. Straight plug and play, no mucking around. Here we go. Here's a 1500 with modified loom to accommodate for drive-by-wire. Unplug factory ECU. Unplug drive-by-wire module. Plug in the Haltech, and now start it up. Simple as that. Honda Accord Euro running on a plug and play Haltech Elite 1500.